Kimchi Quesadilla, where Korean spice meets Mexican comfort. What happens when bold Korean flavors meet classic Mexican comfort food? Magic. In today's video, we're making kimchi quesadillas, a fusion dish that's as mouthwatering as it is unique. Whether you're a food adventurer or a cheese lover, this recipe will have you hooked in no time. Fusion meals give us the best of both worlds, combining flavors from across the globe to create something innovative. Kimchi, a Korean staple, blends beautifully with cheesy quesadillas, showing how food bridges cultures. Plus, who doesn't love experimenting with globally inspired dishes in their own kitchen? Grab these basics to create your fusion masterpiece: tortillas, shredded cheese, kimchi, sesame oil, and green onions. The secret to this recipe is the balance of tangy, spicy kimchi with melty cheese. Get ready. Your taste buds are in for an adventure. First, finely chop your kimchi and sauté it in sesame oil until fragrant. Lay a tortilla on a hot skillet, sprinkle cheese and the kimchi blend, then top with green onions. Cover with another tortilla and cook until golden. Flip, repeat, and you've got a crispy, cheesy delight. Beyond its bold taste, kimchi is a probiotic powerhouse. Packed with vitamins and good for your gut bacteria, it adds nutrition to this indulgent dish. Pair it with whole wheat tortillas or reduced fat cheese to make your kimchi quesadilla both healthy and delicious. Now it's your chance to bring international flavors to your plate. Try this kimchi quesadilla recipe, share it with your loved ones, and let us know your take in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting recipes. Ready to fuse flavors? Let's get cooking.